Here I have NOKIA 7.1, and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Okay, let's start with the first one. Let's tap on Settings and choose Display. Now let's go to Advanced, and here we have the Ambient Display. We can, for example, turn it on during charging, for example when we lift our phone, and check out the new notifications. Okay, let's go back, and now let's jump to the second one, which is the Smart Lock. Here in Security and Location we have Smart Lock. We need to confirm the pattern, and now here we have few useful options. For example, on body detection we can add some trusted places, devices or faces and match the voice with the Google Assistant. Okay, let's go to the third one. Let's go back to Display, and here we have full bezel option. Let's check it, and as you can see, it works like the height notch option. Okay, let's go back, and now let's choose Tap to Wake. Okay, now when our screen is off, the only thing we need to do is just double tap on the screen and our phone will wake up. Let's go back, and let's go to the last feature. Let's go to Settings, Display, then Advanced, and here we have the Enhanced HDR10 display. Okay, we can check it on, and now our contrast and sharpness for photos, games and videos are enhanced. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.